I'm pretty sure I've shown this before, but I'm going to record this, one, just to make sure, and two, just to have it on a smaller video than the ones where I have a bunch of stuff. You just want the most popular recipes updated on the Christmas page. So that is this section right here. So we want to get within. So when I click like just on the recipe, it's bringing me down to a featured image and then post template. I kind of just use that to get to roughly where I need to be on this left side, because what we need to be within to change them is the query loop. So I just, like let's say I was down here working on this and then I need to get in to change this one, I kind of just click just so that I get roughly in the right spot over here, and then I'll direct myself here to go within the query loop. So I'm going to go and wait, sorry, I'm forgetting to narrate. So once you click on query loop, you come over here to the right hand side and we're going to scroll down. This is just showing that this is pulling in posts. This is showing that the default, if you didn't select them, if you didn't select specific ones here, it would just show newest to oldest. But we're going to come down here to selective posts, and I'm going to delete the ones that are in there, which when I do this, you'll see what I mean of that it'll show newest to oldest if you give it a second. So those are showing yeah, sorry, I lost my train of thought. Okay, so you want gooey cinnamon rolls. So I'm just going to start typing. And it does take a minute sometimes for them to start popping up. I feel like this is long. There we go. Gooey cinnamon roll recipe. Then soft, chewy sugar cookies. So again, just going to start typing the name. You usually don't have to type the whole thing. Wow. I guess it's going to show you nice and slow while I'm recording this. Soft, chewy sugar. Okay, that's making me, since it hasn't come up, that's making me think the title might be called something else. So let's just open this up. No, it says soft and chewy. So it should be coming up. I'm going to delete it and try again. Oh, it came. Soft and chewy sugar cookies. There it is. Oh, it might have been, I can't like rewind this while I'm recording it, but it might have been that I had an ampersand and that made it different. Okay, then French silk pie. Come back over here and start typing again. Come on. Okay, maybe it only wants one word tonight. I don't know. Usually it does work if you type more though. And then crispy ginger snaps. Crispy. Nope, doesn't want one word. There we go. Crispy ginger snaps. So then once I have the 4 in there, that's all I need to do. That is done. I think I've shown this somewhere else. And I don't know if like we'll get more into this later, but if for some reason you were wanting this section to be able to do 2 rows of 4, first off, when you're in the query loop, we have to see what it says here in this little slider, and this says to only display 4 per page. So if I upped this to 8 and then came here over here to post template, actually I wouldn't need to change this on post template because this is just saying 4, we want it to go 4 across. So if I come in now back to query loop and try to just add some, it will do another row. I'm just doing random ones right here. I'm going to delete it. So see how it does that. So that's because I changed this right here on query loop, and then I changed this little slider. I'm going to delete those. Hey, stop. I'm also going to show you if you decided, hey, I actually want this to have 5 posts instead of 4, that's where we're going to change it both places. So we'll come here and say 5, and then we're going to come to post template and say we want 5 columns. So then when you go back to query loop, and add a recipe, it will show up in the right spot. Um, but for the most part, I think what our goal, if I'm not mistaken, what our goal is that we'll have those built out for you to where you can use a template of one that we'd already set up to hold more like that. So just showing you that though, since I was within there, if that's kind of how those work. And again, we'll have to see as things progress of like showing you different things like that, where of what else we need to show. But I just figured since I was thinking of it, excuse me, that I would show it then. Okay, bye.